We just won a turf war. Hooray! Wait. Oh, there I am. Look at that name. It's me, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. What am I doing? By the way, on the dark section, you could literally see me. And just barely. Ooh. Darn. Actually, no, that's a good thing. Oh. How awesome. Something I never asked for. You know, we're just gonna yeet this over there. Go away, curling bomb. I don't want you. Nice. Oh yeah, I want to show you all my locker. This is my locker, by the way. Yes. Locker moment. Wait, can I skip this a little closer? Oh, that is perfect-ish. Why is it still blurry? Why is it blurry? Is this not good enough? You're just gonna try and get the entire screen. Is this how those popular people do it? Those popular YouTubers, they just do this. Hello. This is what I was talking about, by the way. I do a goofy dance every time. Switch controller? Good Switch controller. Harmony has something to say. It's a real hee-hee moment there. Why does it... Can I have a locker in my locker? That is my question. Can I have a locker in a locker? Okay, it's me again. Oh, I just now realized that there's a bit of a delay in the recording. Let's see here. What did it mean by gray? Oh. Oh, that looks better. Yay. Dead. Man. Eh. Aw. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my friend. Yes. What? I think we might do Anarchy. Should we do Anarchy? Nah, I don't really like any of those two. Oh. These are some very simple rules. Very, very simple rules. Ink the floor. Turf War is a good game mode for beginners because all they have to do is just ink the floor. I'm trying to get a box here. That's the thing I do. Whenever I get a boxy, it's just like spamming. I was just leaning back. I have a few blankets. Let me just put a blanket over here. I'm cold. Like, it's burning hot outside, but I'm cold. I don't even have my fan on. In fact, my fan's broken. I want to land on the roof, please. What? 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 What the heck? I can jump out of the map. Okay, let's try and like launch directly. Can we launch as far over as we can launch? Oh! What in the hell? I did not think that was possible. Especially on Earth and Underpass, Jesus. Oh, no, go away. Go away. Oh, you're back there. Oh, you missed. Oh, you missed. Haha. Hey. Do a triple splashdown like directly in the middle of everyone. You pull that trick on me, I pull that trick on you. Why? I can just spam the most random buttons. I am like an anchor point right now. Oh. That's what I was scared of happening. I didn't even click A. I honestly did not even click A.